ma.
Working miracle. By
Hallelujah.
the power of God.
Yes, mommy.
I use it for teeth problem and the
Cough.
chronic cough.
Hmm.
I put it, open it too, inside the water.
Hmm.
After that, I turn it and sipping it. Instant everything stop.
Jesus. Really?
I thank God.
To God be the glory. In fact, this product does beyond what is written. Now, this is just a new discovery
Yes, sir.
that D3 Organic can cure toothache and cough, chronic cough. Did you are hearing from the horse's mouth. Are you getting it?
Yes.
To God be the glory. God will continue to strengthen us and strengthen the brain behind this product.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, ma. You're welcome. And she's a new patient that just joined us. She just joined us recently, all the way from Anambra State. You're welcome. Onitsha. You're welcome, ma. God bless you, ma. Now you're going back to Anambra to go and showcase NRI products. And you came this afternoon to get more. God is great. Thank God for using NRI products. Thank you so much, ma. You're welcome, ma.